Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this series, I will teach you how to speak English fluently in just 30 days. In the previous videos, we learned the English alphabet, basic English grammar, adjectives and adverbs and prepositions. In this fifth video, we will learn how to use pronouns correctly in sentences. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. Examples of pronouns are he, she, it, they, we, you, and I. Pronouns can have different functions in a sentence. They can be subjects, objects, possessives, or reflexives. This dialogue is a perfect example of the correct use of pronouns. How was your day, son? It was good, Dad. I had fun at school. What did you learn today? We learned about pronouns. They are words that take the place of nouns. That's interesting. Can you give me some examples of pronouns? Sure. He, she, they, we, you, me, him, her, them, us, etc. all pronouns. Very good. And how do you use them in sentences? Well, you have to match the pronoun with the noun it refers to. For example, if I say John likes pizza, I can use he to replace John and say he likes pizza. I see. And what if there are more than one noun in the sentence? Then you have to use a plural pronoun like they or we. For example, if I say Mary and Tom are friends, I can use they to replace Mary and Tom and say they are friends. That makes sense. You seem to have learned a lot today. Thanks, Dad. You are very smart. Thank you, son. You are very kind. Congratulations, you have learned how to use your pronouns correctly in your sentences. Continue to practice speaking English each day and you will become fluent in no time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to speak English fluently in just 30 days.